Hi, I'm getting ready for a road trip. I actually have 5 road trips planned for the summer months, 3 a week or more, and 2 are only 2 days. And my agenda is always going to be painting. As you may know, I'm Rita Goldner and I'm an author and illustrator of children's picture books. But I'm also pretty passionate about painting and drawing of any kind, especially on location. So I'm putting together the most compact arrangement of things that I can think of to put in my car. And over decades of painting out on location, I've learned how to pack small. So I'm going to show you what I'm taking. I have this little chair that actually folds up. I'll show you later how small it folds up. And I'm not going to be taking an easel because I'm trying to simplify things and also make a smaller footprint and easier and quicker setup. So I'm going to be sitting in this little chair, and I'm using this that I bought from Barnes & Noble's, which is one of those computer lap desks. It's got foam padding on one side and it's hard on the other side, and all I did was wrap it up in saran wrap so you can spill paint on it and it won't wreck it. And then I have a little 3-legged stool next to my chair, and on the 3-legged stool I've got, this is just a plastic container that takeout salad came in, so you can keep your pencils and paintbrushes so they don't fall off on the ground. Now for my purposes, I'm also going to have this arching up iPad holder because I'm going to be taking a video of myself painting while I'm sitting in the chair. You certainly don't need this part. All you need is the chair, the Barnes & Noble computer lap desk, and a 3-legged stool with the little plastic shallow pan to keep paintbrushes from rolling away. So that's all I'm taking for my setup, and I'm going to show you what it looks like all compacted down with the chair all folded up. By the way, I'm not an affiliate, so I'm not getting any money for any of these products that I all bought on Amazon. It's just things that I use and like. Here's my new ride. Some of the time I will be in this car and some of the time I will be in a camper, but in either event, space is going to be at a premium, so that's why I'm packing small. This is what my painting chair looks like, and it actually slips off of the frame like this, and then these 4 sticks come out, and then the seat part just flaps up like this. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you the actual paints, brushes, canvases, and so forth that I'm going to be using on my painting road trips. And I hope this inspires you to paint along with me. And while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. Thanks for watching.